my name is Sonia. No, just kidding. Ha. It is. I am lampshades120, and welcome to Volcano, and welcome back to my Let's Build. Yeah, I'm so bad at entrances. Okay, I am going to finish this roller coaster now because it is very unfinished. Now, I was in bed last night, and I was thinking about how I could finish this. So I'm going to do that as I planned it. Why did but nah. Sorry. I just like beat my leg out of anger. Okay. Okay, yeah, sorry. I just gasped because I thought I was gonna do it again. Okay, to building this ride. Yeah, here we go. Whee! Dun dun dun. They released the new Amazing Race teams, which I'm so happy about. The second I turn 21, I'm applying to that amazing show. Okay, I'm gonna build a volcano now. Wait, first gonna make a turn. Nope, not that way. Let's see. Okay, I'll turn this way. I can't see. Okay, this works. Kinda. Ah. Alright, yeah. On inverted roller coasters, I really don't care for inversions. They're not that fun to me. But I love turns and crap. I don't really know what to do after that. See, can I build volcanoes in here? Because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to build volcanoes right here. Right here. Indeed. Right, that is what I will do. I think I want to put paths under there, though. Why does that keep moving downwards? I think I want to put paths under here, though. Fart nipples! I forgot to set the timer. So, if this recording is too long, I don't know what I'll do. Alright, I think it's been like 3 minutes right now. So, whoa, my park rating just went down. Like, 1. Sorry, I just noticed that. Okay, so I'll set the watch now. And I'll just go to like 10 minutes or so. Darn it, I always forget to do that. Right, so let's see. Oh, whoopsie. I think path can go under that, can't it? It can! Hey, delete. Get out of here! Thank you. And now I'll do a big turn. I don't want that I don't want that tall, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I love English people. And that doesn't work. Let's see, what can I do? Never-ending helix. Yeah, when I build roller coasters, I'm going to be somewhat quiet because I need to concentrate, obviously, on what I'm building. Let's see, do I want to put a flip under this flip or like another flip through the loop? I want something unique on this ride. I want to go on the Amazing Race. How must I do this? No! What am I doing? I don't know. Can I? Okay. Nah. Can't really see that well. I have it on a tiny resolution for this let's build. I keep wanting to call it a let's play, but it's not really a let's play. Um, hmm. What can I do? La 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 la. This thing is like mostly just turning. What can I do that is unique? Let's see. That is a lot of turns. That is fun. For me, that is like so fun right there. For an inverted roller coaster, I love turning. It's awesome. My favorite inverted roller coaster is probably Alpengeist. I don't know. Inverted roller coaster? I don't know. All the inverted roller coasters that are B&M are like the same, so they're stupid. But Alpengeist is like the tallest and fastest, so I guess it's the most fun. I don't know. Inverted roller coasters are hard to classify because they're all the same. Because B&M likes to make everyone the same. Have a loop first, and then a cobra roll, and then a loop first, and then an Immelin, and then a cobra roll. It's all the same, and it's annoying. Let's see, what can I do? Blah, blah, blah. Alright, this is like hard. I never usually build inverted roller coasters, but I am just because I like the theme of it in this situation. That looks cool, actually. How cool does it look from this angle? Cool. Felix C is on Time Machine. Oh, yeah, I thought Felix C left. Oh, yeah, so Felix C is our guest that we're stalking. And while I'm at it, I'm going to put myself in the park. Not that person, because he's leaving. Oh, what's wrong? You haven't done anything. Alright, let's pick a happy person. Happy person! Anthony, you've been on all the rides. Let's name you after me. Whoop, my name is not Lampshades. Okay, that is me. Let's see, I have a lot of speed right now. I'm not gonna build a brake run because I hate brake runs in the middle of the ride. It's annoying, it's not necessary. Who cares if there are a lot of trains? Alright, now I'm gonna do something weird. And random. And do this. Nah, not scenery. Oh, really? It's not low enough. I don't want it to go underground that much. What? How tall? Why? Okay. I'm going to raise this to the right. Down. Okay, there we go. Alright, yeah, I want to twist a lot in the ground. And I can't really decide what I want to do for the ground color. Not the ground color, but like the vertical face, like I don't want it to be ice. I want it to be something else. But I don't know what I want it to be. Photo thing. There we go. Even though I don't need profit in this park. Are you... Oh, fart. This this ride is like all twists and turns, and that's it. No. Can I do this? Yes. No! No! I'm humming during a let's play. Let's build. That's awkward. I want it to go under there and do another twist thing. Let's see. Should I just put 2 twists in a row? That's weird. I guess that's kind of cool. Ish. I don't really like it. Never mind. Let's see. Should I make a corkscrew? You know, at this point, I don't really know how fast it's going. I'm at 7 minutes. Oh dear. Ballast broke down. Oh my. Why is it called... Okay. Yeah, I called it a Ballast because it's a castle-themed ride originally, and then I saved the design. But this isn't a castle-themed ride anymore, so I should call it something different. So, what should I call it? I should call it... Fart. Because it's just so little. And cute. Okay. Wait, no. Just kidding. Lil Fart. There we go. It's a cute little roller coaster. I'm taller than it. Okay. There. Will that work? No! Fart. This game. Okay, will that work? Yeah. Alright, so I guess I'll flip. Why? That's weird. Why don't that work? Why won't that work? We will never know. Grr. Ugh, I don't know how fast it's going at this point. Okay. I hate it when that happens. Still don't know why that happens. Okay. Let's see. It would go through the loop at okay speed. And then it'd turn a million times. I'd say that's too high, probably. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, now let's just do a bunch of hills, I guess. That might be too high. I'll be sad if that's too high. Alright, now I'm just gonna like make it turn a few times over here. Like partially underground, because like I like rides like that. Kinda like, you know, those inverted coasters out there built in a ditch, like Nemesis and all those fun rides. Must be fun. Alright, now let's get it out of there. Ah. I don't know how long I'm at the recording. Let's see, the timer says 10 minutes 38 seconds. And minus the few minutes that I didn't have the timer on. I don't know what I'm saying. I lost track of what I was saying, sorry. So, how should I end this ride? I will end it, and then I will end it, and then I'll end off the video. And then just start back up the video again. La 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 la. Alright, so, it's at 10 feet. Okay, that's good. Ish. Okay. It only has 2 trains, but I don't care. Lines aren't evil. Lines aren't that bad. Alright, now let's just test it. Epic fail. Alright, test it. And when this is over, I will end the video and then tell you next episode what the ratings are and such. Inverted roller coasters are really awesome. I wish that B&M would make a really unique inverted roller coaster that'll like win some awards already. Inverted roller coasters are boring. That would actually be really fun. Like you just be like wee the whole time. That's slow. Crap.